Midday here, I tempted fate and I lost. I left the house. Well, it was just drizzling, slightly thin rain drizzling, crazy rain, as my Portuguese fella friend told me. And as soon as I got half a mile down the road, the skies opened up, and I went there and come back, and now I'm sopping stupid. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, oh, that's good wool. It keeps... Oh, God. I'm bloody sopping you. Oh, bloody hell. I didn't need legs walking back. I needed a bloody riverboat. The river was coming down the road. And apparently here, we've got another week or two of this ghastly weather. Right, I'll make this twiddle again. Oh, I am soaking. I feel like a pair of jeans on pre-wash.